Get a fast charge, up to 50% in around 36 minutes with strong braided USB-C to USB-C cables that are built to last. Use them at home, in your car, or anywhere you need to sync music, photos, or data and charge your devices. Tested to survive 10,000 plus bends, and made with double braided nylon, these USB-C fast charge cables stand up to the most rigorous daily use, so you don't have to keep replacing them. And with a braided nylon exterior, they've got the sturdiness to withstand just about anything. They're also USB-if certified to make sure you'll always have a superior experience. For USB-C devices, including Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, S20 Ultra, S10, S10 Plus, S10e, Note 10, Note 10 Plus, Note 9, Pixel 4, 4XL, 3, 3XL, iPad Pro. More. Top review from the United States. Well-constructed cable, but it's a heavy-duty USB-C to C cable that has UDB-if certification. As it has nylon braiding, it keeps the yellowing away, and you can clean it with a cloth and some alcohol wipes when it gets dirty. I mainly use it for charging, but I'm pretty sure it will transfer file maintaining USB 3 speed at ease. The only disadvantage is, as it's a hard type of cable, it tends to keep straight and won't bend easily. Which is good cable-wise, but as port-wise, although it's minimal and can be avoided. Go for it.